this kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 50 of building Marvel's Infinity Gauntlet. Is this halfway through? I think it may just be. We may be approaching the halfway stage, or even at the halfway stage of the entire build, which is about right, because we've done most of the surround, or at least half of the outside of the surround, and we've done 2 fingers and half of this finger, maybe-ish. So we've got 2.5 to go, and the other bit. So yeah, it sounds about right. We've got most of the gems and that lit up as well. So yeah, we must be about there. This is part 2 of the middle finger. I say halfway. We're not halfway through the finger, but you know. Looking at the time stone. That's the green one. Obviously, we're going to be looking in focusing about each of the stones, no doubt. All stuff to read there if you like. So yes, we've got the middle finger. We've got the outer actual fingertip, which holds in place exactly the same as the other ones did. You've got to put together a little framework with the metal bit around there, then put the little clip in that, and then that clips onto the end. Good stuff. We shall get to that soon. Loki, God of Mischief. You know about Loki. I haven't watched the 2nd season of Loki yet. I started it, but I will go back to that. That's quite good. Yep, all that stuff about him. And our creator is Steve Epting, Mythbuster. Don't know why he's a Mythbuster, but there he is. Read all about Steve if you like. Let's clear this out of the way and let's get it built. So here we are. Parts from last time and parts from this time. I do like these fingertips. They're nice, chunky metal pieces. I have used screws from the previous packs. I haven't even opened these new ones that we got with this one. You always end up with more screws than you can use. So these bits will go together basically like that, but with that in the middle. These little cut-out pieces line up with those cut-out pieces, and that will hold that together. If you get that together like that, there we go. And at the moment, we just have one screw. Hold this together. Through here. That is basically all you need. The next bit down, the big bit there, will be held together with the next bit, because that's the bit that's slightly articulated. But for now, that will do the job. That will hold that together. The other screw here will hold this bracket into the end of that. That's the tricky bit, and that. So if I can get that through there, and we'll see about getting that on top of there, and then getting it lined up. Just about there, but not quite. Maybe we'll do it the other way around to get that into that hole, into that framework, and then get the screw in the top. That works. Get that tightened up in there. There we go. You may notice when I'm putting these screws in, I go forwards a bit and then often go back a little quarter turn. That's just to free off any loose bits of the metal that break off in the hole and give us a nice tight fit without the need of any added oils or lubricants or anything in there. And then that, basically the sprung bits on there, just clip onto there like that, and there you have it. All together, fitted nice and secure with no external screw holes or fittings, just as you would like. And that bit is obviously not articulated in any way, but that fills in there quite nicely. There we go. There is one more pack in this delivery, which is continuing the finger down, as you'd imagine. So I shall get to that in the next couple of days. Other than that, hope you're enjoying the build. Do leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye for now.